Have you ever noticed something strange?
What?
At home, your English is fluent. In front of the mirror, perfect pronunciation. But the moment you enter a bank or hospital,
Your brain says, system error. English not found.
exactly. Suddenly, good morning becomes good morninging?
And in a supermarket, you forget the word basket and say, that carrying thing.
If this has ever happened to you, don't move anywhere. Today we are going to act out real-life English conversations in public places with correct sentences, polite expressions, and even what not to say.
And yes, we'll make some mistakes on purpose so you can learn properly.
Stay till the end because the final situation is something everyone faces but nobody practices.
Let's start with a simple place, a park. This is where small talk usually happens. Small talk means light, friendly conversation, like this.
Hi, I'm Philip. Mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Please have a seat. I'm Maria. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Beautiful weather today, isn't it?
It really is. The breeze feels amazing.
Do you come here often?
Yes, almost every evening. It helps me relax after work. What about you?
Same here. I like walking around and clearing my mind.
You can start conversation in the park like this way. Here are some important park phrases. Mind if I sit here? It's such a lovely day. I come here to relax. It's very peaceful. But Philip, what if someone doesn't want to talk?
Good question. If they give short answers like or yes and look at their phone,
That's your signal to politely stop.
exactly. Don't force conversation.
Unless you want to practice running.
Both laugh.
Now imagine you are at a hospital. Many people feel nervous speaking English here.
Yes, because health is serious, but sentences are actually simple and direct. Maria, we are now at a hospital reception, and would you please be a receptionist?
Wow, that sounds good. Let's move on.
Good morning. I'd like to see a doctor, please.
Good morning. Do you have an appointment today?
No, I don't. Is it possible to see the doctor today?
What seems to be the problem?
I've been having a headache and a slight fever since yesterday.
Please fill out this form and take a seat. The doctor will call you shortly.
In the hospital, you can start conversation like this. Now, here are some useful hospital expressions. I'm not feeling well. I have chest pain. How long is the waiting time? Where is the pharmacy? Can I get a medical certificate?
And remember, don't exaggerate. Yes, if you have a small cough, don't say, I think this is my last day on earth.
The doctor might panic more than you. Both laugh.
Philip, I hope you will agree with me that banks make people nervous because of formal language, isn't it?
Yes, I totally agree with you. But let's break it down simply. Maria, please be a bank officer for now. Good afternoon. I'd like to open a savings account.
Certainly. May I see your ID, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like a debit card as well?
Yes, that would be helpful.
Please fill in this application form.
Thanks, Maria. You are perfect for any role. Now, for our audience, here are some common bank sentences. I'd like to deposit money. I'd like to withdraw cash. What is the minimum balance? I forgot my PIN number. Can you explain this charge?
And very important, speak calmly.
Yes, never shout, "Where is my money?"
Security will give you special attention.
Both laugh. Public transport conversations are short and direct. Excuse me, is this the bus for City Center?
Yes, it is.
Do you know how long it takes?
Around 25 minutes, depending on traffic.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Here are some more bus stop phrases. Is this seat taken? How much is the fare? Does this bus stop at Main Street? When is the next bus?
And if the bus is late, just smile and say, I guess the bus needs extra beauty sleep.
Both laugh.
Now comes the place where vocabulary disappears, supermarket.
Especially when asking for specific items. Let's practice. Excuse me, where can I find cooking oil?
It's in aisle 3, next to the rice section.
Thank you. After getting all of your required items, you must pay bills at the checkout counter.
Good evening. Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, thank you.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Cash or card?
Card.
Please enter your PIN.
Some supermarket phrases. Is this on discount? Can I return this item? This item is damaged. Where's the dairy section?
And please don't taste fruits before paying.
I call it quality testing.
The manager calls it theft.
Both laugh loudly. Shopping malls are bigger, so you may need to ask for directions. Excuse me, where's the food court?
It's on the second floor, near the escalator.
Thank you.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a medium-sized jacket.
What color are you interested in?
Black or navy blue?
Would you like to try it on?
Yes, where's the fitting room?
Some useful mall sentences. Is this available in a larger size? Can I exchange this? Do you offer any discount? What time do you close? And remember the magic sentence. I'm just looking.
It protects your wallet. Both laugh.
Restaurants are very common for English practice.
And food makes learning fun. Good evening. A table for two, please.
Right this way.
May I see the menu?
Of course.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
I'll have that. And a glass of water, please.
Some restaurant expressions. I'd like to order. Can we get the bill, please? The food was delicious. Is this dish spicy? Can I have some extra sauce? And never shout, "Where is my food?"
Unless you enjoy eating outside permanently. Both laugh.
Important public speaking tips. 1. Always start with "excuse me." 2. Use please and thank you. 3. Keep your sentences short and clear. 4. Maintain eye contact.
5. Don't fear mistakes. 6. Speak slowly. 7. Listen carefully. 8. Confidence is more powerful than grammar. Today we visited the park, hospital, bank, bus stop, supermarket, shopping mall, and restaurant.
You saw how simple English can handle real-life situations. Remember, communication is more important than perfection. Practice these dialogues with your friends, siblings, or even in front of a mirror.
The more you practice, the less nervous you'll feel in public. Thank you so much for staying till the end. If this helped you, like this video, share it with someone who struggles with English in public places, and comment below which public place makes you the most nervous.
Both together. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.